Temperatures overall today on the cool side, but for areas that saw a little more sunshine, we did warm up. In North Mississippi, those folks saw some sun today. They're at 63 right now in Oxford and Clarksdale, but generally cloudy to the north. That's where we're still at 50 degrees in Dyersburg, 54 in Covington, 58 degrees right now here in Metro Memphis. Now, through this evening, we expect a few clouds to continue to pass by, but those skies will generally clear overnight tonight to around 52 degrees for our temperatures by around 8 p.m. and then 51 going into the 9 o'clock hour. Lows tonight, not quite as cold as they were last night, but it's still going to be chilly into the mid 30s in western Tennessee, 36 the low in Covington, 43 in Memphis, upper 30s to low 40s in North Mississippi and in eastern Arkansas as well. Tomorrow, we finally see that warming trend we've been talking about. We're up to near 70 degrees after a little bit of a cool start. East-southeasterly winds helping out with that around 8 miles an hour, and that mix of some sunshine and clouds going to continue through the day. But no chance of rain tomorrow. Tuesday, can't rule out a sprinkle, but it's not going to be enough to need the umbrella. Wednesday is the day this week that you are really going to need to pack the rain gear. And this is why we have a cold front moving in to Arkansas Wednesday morning. That's got that line of storms associated with it. And we expect those storms to roll into our area by Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. This model says by around 4 p.m. Wednesday, we have that line of storms in Memphis and then slowly moving off to the east and out of the area by 9 p.m. So it's really Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening that we are expecting some storms. Now, how strong these storms get depends on how much energy can make it up to our area. We do expect a lot of the storm energy to remain to our south, but watch what happens when you see the storm energy light up. A lot of it does try to come into northern Mississippi. So if this storm energy here can come a little bit farther north, it would increase our risk for severe weather. Right now, it looks like the worst of it's to our south, but a lot of that could also make its way into northern Mississippi. If it comes even farther north, it could put western Tennessee and eastern Arkansas in play for some stronger storms. So with that being said, right now, most of our area in that possible category for severe weather, but parts of northern Mississippi down toward Jackson, they are in a likely area for severe weather. And again, if that energy can bump a little farther north, we'll have to bump that risk up. But for right now, damaging winds, the main concern, can't rule out a brief tornado. It's something we're going to watch very carefully. But at least for right now, the temperatures continue to warm up. 68 degrees tomorrow, 76 on Tuesday ahead of those evening storms Wednesday. And then another little cool down for the end of the week. 60s Thursday and Friday, and a slight chance of rain on Saturday. All in all, next weekend looking pretty dry.